Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2013 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 7146. It's ran from the 8th 2008 to the 12th 2018. Has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 dent, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, rear tailgate 1 dent, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door 1 dent and light fold, right front door no dents, right front mirror small scuff, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stick stereo, steering wheel, courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.